Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the upper control arm on a Ford Ranger. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a jack stands, and a variety of wrenches. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is securely supported on level ground. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses and gloves, to prevent injury during the repair process. Let's get started safely and efficiently. Next, we'll begin the disassembly. Start by safely removing the wheel and then carefully disconnect any brake line brackets attached to the upper control arm. Using a ball joint separator, detach the upper ball joint from the steering knuckle. Finally, unbolt the control arm from its mounting points on the vehicle's frame. Keep track of all hardware for reassembly. Now, let's install the new upper control arm. First, position the new arm and secure it to the frame mounts, hand tightening the bolts for now. Next, reattach the upper ball joint to the steering knuckle, ensuring it's seated correctly. Once everything is in place, torque all bolts to the manufacturer's specified values, which are crucial for safety and proper vehicle operation. Double-check all connections. To finish up, reinstall the wheel and carefully lower your Ford Ranger back to the ground. It's essential to perform a thorough visual inspection of all newly installed components to ensure everything is secure and properly connected. Remember, after any suspension work, a professional wheel alignment is highly recommended to maintain proper handling and tire wear. For an amazing home upgrade, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this fantastic robot vacuum, along with other great deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.